Let's install the Java 11 OpenJDK version. So you have to go on the Google and search for the OpenJDK here. So why we are going to install the OpenJDK instead of JDK, we'll cover that in the separate video. And once you will search for the OpenJDK, you will get a link like this. You have to click on the Adoptium home because we are going to install the Eclipse Adoptium JDK libraries here. So once you lands on this homepage of the Eclipse Adoptium, then you have to scroll down little bit and you will get the download link for this. Then you have to click on the others download because we don't want to install 25 right now. So click on the other downloads. You will able to see like there are many numbers of version given. So based on a requirement you can install, but we are going to install the JDK 11 here. So I will click on the JDK 11, and based on your operating system you can select like Mac OS or Windows. Then I'm having Windows, so I'm going to install the Windows version of this Java 11. So click on the Windows. You will get the thank you for downloading Eclipse Temurin, and you can see the download has been started here. Once the download is completed, you will see the libraries downloaded in the downloads folder. You have to double click on that. Then you will get the preparing to install here. Click on the next, then accept the license agreement. Click on the next now. Now install for all user. Based on requirement you can select the specific user. Then you have to click on the next, then next, and click on the install. Like you will get the administration confirmation to install this library. So click on that. So once that is done, you will see like status like progress bar is here, and it will start to install now. So you got the finish button, and once the installation is finished, we will go inside the C drive and see where it has been installed. So click on the C drive, then program files, and inside the program files you have to click on the Eclipse Adoptium. In that you will see the JDK 11.0.32. I will just go inside that and let's say bean. Then here you will see the Java and Java C libraries directly. So yeah, here is the Java C and here's the Java. And then you have to click on the environment variable to set up the environment variable. Click on the environment variables. Then you have to create a new environment variable as Java home. Here you can specify the version till the JDK 11 only. Then in the path, which is a default CMD kind of, let's say when it start it will load the path library. So we have to also add into the path. So we have to create as a new, and I'm putting the percentage Java home percentage, and then slash bin. Once that is done, you have to click on OK, and the first one as OK. Then open the CMD to verify the version of which Java JDK version we have installed. So click on the CMD and you will see like Java C hyphen version, Java C 11.0.32, and Java hyphen version. You will see the Java version as 11.0.32 and environment like Eclipse Temurin.